Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change your font on Roblox Mobile. Now, if you're looking to change the font in Roblox itself, you actually can't. Roblox doesn't let you customize fonts directly, but you can change the font on your phone, which will update how text appears in Roblox. So first, open your phone settings. This works on most Android devices, but steps may vary depending on your manufacturer or UI version. In the settings, search bar, type font. You want to go to the font option under display and brightness, not font settings, just font. From here, browse the available fonts. For example, I'm looking for something like Roboto. Once you find it, click on the font and press the free button to download it. After it's downloaded, you'll see an apply button. Click it, confirm any prompts, and your phone font will update. Now Roblox will display the new font automatically. And that's it. Your Roblox mobile font is now updated. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video for more Roblox tips.